Mintrang ba kajelau Conrad ke sangma menta kasengi ula play ya kejing lek kai kingling ke banengkong tam India ke blakot kum ke Fast India Sailing League hapung yam riboy district. Habakran hakani kejing play kondak loong baki kam Tamasa kiren san ya kai kidai ban Bteng Kawei Hadien Kawei pat kenang ban Kyntiew ya ke kam Jngohkai. Loong ba kadon kam ban bu ya ke almanak jogi program Kawei Hadien Kawei. Kenang baki nangwan kai na keleng kiri bat kumju na keleng kijela jong kari kintip ban penbet pali lupa ban wan sikne kejela. Ulaong badang sian ke suka jela kala penlong ya kata masa Fast International Film Festival badang menin kasngi ka kan hunong ruai def li lupat kawan ban peleng haboy rembang bat samenta unong lek danda no peta rose nari Kanada lawan hasilong bat habna yayong pat ka kan hunong tem Scorpion kanwan ban peleng hasilong. Konrad loong bagas suka jela kan sapdeng ro ya kan national game house nam aja aphenyo bat sibenta halo kan nei grate ya kasal slalom kus hasinong tham ha ka jinglut ke ba afwe ke rutengka tam bat ke five star hotel kan sayang sian ha yang ha kini ki asnem masawan khnang ba ke bawan kai ha yam kimkut tang ban susyondul syongling lekin yo mat ya kalat ke jing sengu tenat klem sange ha bagiwan syakani ke jela kiwei pat ki bakran ha kini ki jing play ki kentup ya lieutenant colonel alok yadap ubade commissioner league bat kumju no ba siru widi dingdo chief executive officer ke yam sailing club nang tau mathon ji sangma o chairman kemigra tourism development corporation bat kiwei.
Tourists coming here, clicking some pictures, and that would be the end of the overall activity that would happen in and around this place. And so we made a very conscious decision that we will work and plan things in such a manner that we should be able to unlock the tremendous potential that lies in and around this particular venue. And so the journey began. Many activities took place. Many individuals got involved. And I am extremely happy to see the kind of work that has unfolded. Colonel Yadav and his team have done extraordinary work. Cyril and his team have supported and helped them to make this particular first Indian Sailing League a possibility. So let's have a round of applause for them. Friends, as a government, there are many activities and many programs, many festivals, many leagues that we organize. But we ensure that the larger messaging that we want to send to the people is clear to everyone, and we want to ensure that the larger purpose of the goal of one particular activity helps in achieving that particular larger goal that we have. And so for the last 8 years, we have been trying to build up infrastructure, trying to build up capacity, trying to build up our overall technical knowledge, trying to build up different programs, different schemes, different events to create that larger picture of Meghalaya and Shillong as a true destination for different activities and tourism, to be able to really create that environment. Start very soon, and maybe in 2 to 3 years' time, so about 24 months to 36 months, right here we'll be having the Taj Spa and Resort. And while the sailing takes place, the tourists and the people can enjoy both the facilities of the resort, as well as the beauty of the location, as well as the overall sport that's going to take place. So like that, we're ensuring that our overall capacity to be able to provide the facilities improves. We were not able to activate our airport, before 2018. But in 2018, when we came in, we made sure that connectivity must improve. And today we are happy that at least we have started certain flights from different parts of the country, though there is a bit of connectivity issue still. But we are happy that today the Shillong airport is functional. It's about 15 minutes drive from here. And you'll be happy to know that the expansion process of the airport is already on the way. And I expect that by 2027 September, the larger aircrafts and normal commercial aircrafts will be able to land straight here in Shillong, all the way from all the different metros that are there in the country. So that is going to be a major, major game changer for us. And while we do all of this, we also realize that we need to build up the base in terms of the human capacity and the ancillary sectors that are important for tourism and these kind of big events to happen. And we did not have this kind of capacity 8 years back, but here we are today, where we are able to host programs like these. I don't know if some of you are people who like music, and especially rock music. We just had Def Leppard perform day before yesterday, right here in Meghalaya. We'll be having Scorpions performing on 21st of April. We just had day before yesterday. So today we're having the first Indian Sailing League. We just started the first the Shillong International Film Festival was also launched about 2 days back, and we intend to have this on an annual basis. So you can see the dots that are appearing, and all of these dots are connected, and these dots are meant to create a larger picture of where we would like to see Meghalaya in the next 5 years, in the next 15 years, and in the next 50 years from now. And we are laying the foundations for that, and we are hoping that we'll be able to work with partners and take our state forward. You'll be happy to know that we'll be hosting the National Games next year. It's a really great moment for us, and a great privilege, I should say. This will take place sometime in January, February 2027. And we are preparing very, very aggressively for that. You'll also be happy to know that apart from the sailing facilities that are here, we are also investing in the slalom course at Umtam village, where approximately 21 crores will be spent to build state-of-the-art course, a slalom course, where we are hoping that in 2036, when the Olympics takes place in India, we want to host the sailing and the slalom course and have the different river rafting and other activities right here in this place. So that's the kind of thought process and vision with which we are working. All of these activities we're hoping will lead to that point where 2036, these kind of activities, Meghalaya, especially this area, will lead the way, and we'll be able to host the Olympics activity here, as well as many, many more international events. So there's a lot of things happening, and I'm very happy to see that the overall capacity to make these things happen. You must understand that a lot of people would like to have these things, but it requires a lot of work at the grassroots level. It looks very simple when all the frames are up and the screen is up and program is up, but a lot of hard work goes behind the scenes to make these kind of things happen. And to have multiple programs having multiple things happening every now and then, which is really what we want, because we want tourists to come in and say, there was a Def Leppard concert yesterday. Tonight there is Russell Peters going to be performing today here in Shillong. And next month there's going to be, and today is the first Indian Sailing League is happening right here in Umiam. That's the kind of environment and activity we want. We want things to happen continuous basis, because that's when, for tourism, there is a continuous activity and an interest for people to come in, knowing that they'll be making their calendars and fixing their dates knowing that, well, this is coming up next month, this is coming up next month. And I think that's very important for us as a state and as a government and as a tourism sector to think in that line to make things happen. So having said that, I really would like to thank all of you for taking your time and coming and joining us here. I know it's, for some of you, it's a very, very far off location, but you took the trouble to come here and take care of things. I'm so happy that you've made your presence felt out here. And as Colonel Alok had just mentioned to you, that things may not be perfect, and we accept it. And if something goes wrong, and if Colonel Alok does not take care of you, then you can complain to me. I'll make sure I take action against him. So you have got one more kind of level that you can complain to. But having said that, I'm sure that will not be necessary. I'm sure he will do things better than most of you can expect. But we do look forward to suggestions from you. We want to make this, the league, better and better in the years to come. We don't intend to stop, midway, halfway. We want to make this a calendar event. We want to see that more and more people participate. And we'd like to see that this becomes, a national and international event in the years to come, so that people can actually plan and be here for leagues like this. So I really look forward to that. Once again, I thank all the teams that are participating. I thank all the sailors who are here. I'm so happy to see that there are youngsters from Meghalaya also. So I wish all of you the very best. Of course, I've got some soft corner for my own kids. So yeah, I wish the Meghalaya team also the very best. But my best wishes to all of you, and may the best team win. And whatever support is required to make this program even better in the days to come, let me assure you that as a government, we are right there with you to support you in every possible way to make this particular league, as well as the leagues in the future, world class in the days to come. So once again, I wish all of you the very best, and also take this opportunity to declare the first Indian Sailing League as open.